Hello members, you are most welcome again. I'm very proud actually to be with you and to always follow me on all social media platforms, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram and the rest. I still appreciate you. Now, it's very clearly known that in most cases lessons are put here and people are able to learn. I still urge you please to continue subscribing to my YouTube channel, Saddam Hussein, the mathematics facilitator. You will still get it very well, and I believe there's no problem with that. Just click on subscribe and then the bell will come. Touch on the bell and you'll be getting all notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. Now I want to challenge you on some few logical questions. Please be there and try it out. One, in case you are asked that one man was able to view one vehicle when he came out of his hotel room, and when three more men join him, how many vehicles will they be seeing? I repeat, one man is able to see one vehicle packed. What if three more men join him and they become four? How many vehicles will they be seeing? That is logic. I want you to discuss it with your friends and do it very well. Then question number two. If one handkerchief takes 5 minutes to dry, how many minutes will 20 handkerchiefs take of the same material? Handkerchiefs made of the same material are to be put together. 20 handkerchiefs. How many hours will they take? If one handkerchief takes 5 minutes to dry, one. Then what if there are 20 of the same material? How long will they take in terms of hours? I hope we are clear there. I want us to have some logic and to analyze some of these questions well, so that we are able to use. No, mathematics is too much of logic. When you put in much time to think about it, you become a genius, and at the end of it all, definitely you'll be the winner. Then the other question is, I have 1 kilogram of stones and 1 kilogram of feathers. Which one is heavier? Remember, that's comparison. Greater than, great or equals to or less than. So what you're supposed to do, you identify for me that. Please, that is logic. Sit down and identify. I said 1 kilogram of feathers compared to 1 kilogram of stones. I need the answers. Those are logical questions. You need to be very much tactical when you're answering them, and you need to think before you answer. The other one is from inverse proportions, where I said one man can look at one vehicle, and when there are very many, when 3 of them join to become 4, how many vehicles will they be seeing? You understand? Then the other one was, I said one handkerchief takes 5 minutes to dry. What if there are 20 of the same material? How long will they take in terms of hours? Please, why can't you subscribe to get more work and to always enjoy this channel? There are many other technical things that I'm to bring here, and the moment we are able to develop, it's all about development. Now I am planning to set a question that is going to shoot exactly the P6 children. That's the application of algebra about ages, and I want us to be together so that we can be able to analyze. Remember, when you are able to understand all these topics, for example, you understand algebra very well right from the beginning up the end, yes, then you know how to handle integers very well without any problem. We are able to achieve. I still encourage learners at home there not to stop learning, continue learning, because the government is soon opening schools and we need you at school. Remember, most parents hope to take you the next classes, but what are you doing at home there? Keep learning and keep doing the right thing. Now, I want you to try some simple work about operational numbers. Try quick addition, where they can ask you 64 plus 94. 64 plus 94. Why can't you add 60 plus 90 to get 150? Then 4 plus 4 to get 8. Then 150 plus 8 to get 158. Quick addition, where they ask you and they're able to answer. For example, even if it's multiplication, when they say 20 times 31, what can you do? Multiply 2 times 3 to get 6. Put the zeros plus 20 times 1. I think that. So 20 times 1 gives you 20. Then 20 times 30 gives you 600. So 620. When you multiply, that's 200. I mean, that's 20 plus 31. Just using logic estimation and multiplying numbers. When we keep doing this thing, all in all, when we're at home there, we need to be very careful, put in much time. Even at home, when you have cups, you can bring cups and try to play a game. For example, you can ask how many cups are here. What if I add more 4 cups for P2, P3? How many will it be? I have 4 cups. When I add 4, how many will they become? So that is how best you can keep emphasizing. Others, mathematics is so good. I encourage you that if you want to pass mathematics, one key thing for you as a child: one, love the subject. Put it part of you. Love the subject and practice it time and again. Feel free. Remember, it is home affair every time. For example, when it comes to shopping bills, they always tell you, Jane went and bought 2 kilograms of meat at 2,500 per kilogram, then bought 1 liter of cooking oil at 250 per quarter liter. So you find that it is a home thing. If dad is able to send you from home to go and buy something, that practical thing is what we want you to bring back in class. Use it well. It is what we call mathematics. Applying the knowledge. Children just say mathematics is hard, but it's not hard. Whether mathematics is not hard, it's very good. I feel proud to be a mathematician, and you will also be a mathematician as well. Be calm, be careful, analyze the questions, interpret the questions before you answer. Know what you are answering. I hope you understand me there. Know what you are writing and answering. Love the subject. Be with the teacher. Never hate teachers. Some of you hate teachers, by the way. A teacher of mathematics is one who shows the writing, because mathematics is in all subjects: English, SST, science. Mathematics is there. Even RE, when they ask you how many disciples did Jesus have, is that not mathematics? That's mathematics. So I still urge you to work hard and to be good children. Help your parents when you're at home, and I still request that you keep learning. Tomorrow I'm going to post for you a lesson for primary 6. That's about application of algebra. Please don't miss it. Don't miss that lesson. It's going to be very interesting, and you will hate fearing mathematics. You will hate it. You will hate fearing it. Instead, you will like the subject. I hope you understand me. I want you to love mathematics freely. Otherwise, when you buy the mathematics, the simplest subject, when you know it, it is the only subject where you can get 100% when you even know before they mark you, because you can approve here, I've got the answer, I've got this, because you can easily go. When you follow the right methods and the right procedures and the right formula, you will not fail mathematics. I want to assure you. And I bless you all as you succeed in struggling to make something better. And may the Almighty God keep you alive as we meet again. Thank you very much. Don't you think that we need to be always very careful with education, because it is where your future lies. Your future lies in education. Without education, my dear, we are not there. So I urge you to have education, and thank you very much. May God bless you.